fx equal to e raised to the power x and gx equal to e raised to the power minus x in Cauchy mean value theorem, then theta is dependent on x and y, independent of both x and y, independent of y but not x, independent of x and y, x but not of y. So we have to check uh, theta is depending on x or y or both or one of them. So as you can say, function is given as e raised to the power minus x and other function gx equal to e raised to the power minus x. And according to Cauchy mean value theorem, we have function f dash theta. In terms of theta, I can write f dash theta upon g dash theta equal to fb minus fa divided by gb minus ga. Actually you have to only just recall this formula. Otherwise, what is the Cauchy mean value theorem? Cauchy mean value theorem is directly says, suppose fx, f and g are two continuous function on closed interval ab, and their derivative also, and they are differentiable on open interval ab. Because of we are going to define quotient, so g dash x never be 0 for all x which are coming from open interval ab. Then there exists c belong in ab, open interval ab, such that f dash c upon g dash c is equal to fb minus fa divided by gb minus ga. So this is Cauchy mean value theorem, and this is coming directly from the Lagrange mean value theorem, which says, suppose function is continuous on closed interval ab and function is differentiable on open interval ab, then there exists a c belongs open interval ab such that f dash c, and f dash c is a slope, and we find slope y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 in elementary schooling. We use this formula. Suppose a graph of the function is like this, and then their slope at the point c will be, so coordinate of this point is a f a, and this coordinate will be b comma fb. Then how we can find slope? So fb minus fa divided by b minus a. So actually we use this one, and this is the geometric interpretation of Lagrange mean value theorem. But we have to know about only Cauchy mean value theorem, which are very applicable to solve this problem directly. So theta, suppose function f and g are continuous over closed interval ab, and theta will belong open interval in ab. Then I can write f dash theta upon g dash theta equal to fb minus fa divided by gb minus ga. As function fx equal to e raised to the power x, so f dash x will be e raised to the power same, means exponential function have same derivative. If g dash gx equal to e raised to the power minus x, then g dash x will be minus of e raised to the power minus x. Use this one. So f dash theta will be e raised to the power theta, and g dash theta will be minus of e raised to the power minus theta equal to fb e raised to the power b minus e raised to the power a, and gb will be e raised to the power minus b upon e raised to the power minus a. We are going to only simplify right hand side, and in left hand side this will be negative of e raised to the power 2 theta, and this one will be e raised to the power minus b, e raised to the power b minus e raised to the power a upon 1 upon e raised to the power b minus 1 upon e raised to the power a. And on further simplify, I can write e raised to the power b minus e raised to the power a upon e raised to the power a minus e raised to the power b, and LCM will be e raised to the power a plus b, means e raised to the power a into e raised to the power b. So this one will cancel out by this one with minus 1, and this minus will cancel out from this one. So what we have? We have only e raised to the power 2 theta equal to e raised to the power a plus b, because because of exponential function is not periodic, or you can say in other terms, exponential function is 1 1. Why 1 1? uh, Suppose either this is e raised to the power x or e raised to the power minus x. If we draw a perpendicular line, then graph intersect only at one point. So using this concept, you can say function is 1 1. So by this property, I can write 2 theta equal to a plus b, and this implies theta equal to a plus b divided by 2, means theta is independent from x and y. So which one option is true independent of both x and y, which is saying option b. So it will be true and other will be false, because of either they are dependent on one and independent from other. So only b option is